Hey you guys, it is me Laura from scrapsoфencouragement.com, and today I have a little bit of a different video for you. I thought this was something I would try, and you guys can let me know if you like it or not and if you'd like to see more like this. But I'm going to show you inside a little bit closer to some of the products from the 2019 holiday catalog. This is the Let It Snow suite. When I saw the suite, I was super excited for a few reasons. First of all, the way the suite is put together makes it perfect for crafting with kids or elderly or people in your life who may struggle with crafting a little bit or may not have the fine motor skills but who really love to have fun. This is perfect for that, and I'll show you a little bit more about that later. And it's also perfect for a lot of the organizations I like to make cards for and donate to. So I'm going to show you a little bit inside. One of the first things that I wanted to show you is this embellishment kit. This is what really makes this fun to do with kids and elderly. It comes with all of these great sticker elements that are perfect for building a snowman, and they make it really fun and easy. And they also come with these felt pieces. So there's 4 different colors that it comes with, and each of these sheets has the same pieces on it, just in the different color, but you've got hats and mittens and scarves, and they are super fun to put on any snowman. And then you've got this little pack of snowballs and then some shimmery, glittery washi tape. This is not part of the suite, but I got some glimmer paper, some sparkly glimmer paper, and that comes in 2 12x12 sheets. And this is kind of like a glittery paper, but the glitter is not going to come off. You can see here I'm rubbing really, really hard, so it's not going to come off, which means that this is a safe card to make for people where glitter might be a problem. It makes it possible to add that glittery look without worrying about it coming off or causing any issue. Now this also comes with a punch, which makes it super great for working with kids, because punches they can do, and if they can't, you can help them easily, but you don't have to haul out a die cutting machine or worry about that at all. And then you can just add your little elements to your snowman, and it's so fun. So this is the coordinating stamp set. The punch will cut out the snowman here in this set, so you can do that. It has sentiments Merry Christmas, Let It Snow, and hoping this season builds heartwarming memories. So then there's all these fun images that the kids can color, they can stamp, they can do whatever with, and so that makes it a lot of fun as well. Now this also comes with some coordinating specialty designer series paper, and what makes it specialty is that on one side of the paper, there are elements with some glitter already on them. Again, this glitter is not going to rub off, it's not going to come off, so it allows you to have that element without worrying about it coming off of your card. So I've already stacked these so you can see the glitter side and then the back side of each paper. So these are the 2 sides of this one, and then you have the snowmen here. The snowmen have glitter on them again, but it's not going to come off. And this is the back snowy side of that piece. And you have these mittens. Now the mittens do not have any glitter on them. And then you've got the pinstriping on the back. And these snowmen, which again have the glitter and then more pinstriping, these little snowmen do not have glitter on them. So it's just a regular paper there. And then with the back, the snowy background. These hats just have glimmer on the one hat, on all the white fuzzy parts there, and then the back side of that paper as well. So this is there's a lot more to this suite that you can get, but these are the pieces that I am super excited about using from this suite to make loads of cards with, and I can't wait to start crafting with my kids. But I wanted to show you a little closer look at those. Here's some tags too that kids could easily make these tags and have so much fun. But I know that as the holiday season is approaching, people like to think of things that they can do with family and friends and build traditions, and making cards together, whether it be Christmas cards, cards for a cause, to donate for a cause, or for any other reason. This kit and these pieces can make that be a really, really fun memory that you can build together as a family. So let me know if this inside peek is helpful for you, and if you would like to see more of these in the future, and if so, what products, what suites, what things would you like to see? I am happy to show you. And here at the end, I'm going to share with you a little card that I made using these things. And I hope that you have a wonderful day, and as always, find joy in creating as you spread kindness and encouragement with your scraps of paper. Bye.